A nice cup of tea is really so refreshing after a long day. It is a combination of tea leaves, water, sugar, and milk. Tea is a combination of different substances. It means it is an example of a mixture. Mixture is a combination of two or more substances in any proportion. All the substances in a mixture maintain their original properties. Air is also an example of mixture, which is a combination of different gases like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and many more. Mixtures can be broadly divided into two categories: homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture has the same composition throughout. For example, salt water. In salt water, if you take any sample, the composition will be same. Second category is heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture varies in its composition. For example, this rock. If you look carefully, the black color small particles, the black nuggets, are not distributed evenly throughout the rock. The properties of the mixture depends on the size of particles. So, based on the size of particles, we can divide the mixtures into three categories: solutions, suspensions, and colloids. Let's take a look at the solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture with very tiny particles. The particles are too small to see, and these particles are too small to settle down at the bottom. We can't filter these particles out from the mixture. Let's take an example. The common example is the salt solution. When salt is mixed thoroughly into the water in the glass, it will form a solution. The salt will no longer be visible in the water and it won't settle to the bottom of the glass. And the particles of the salt are also not visible. So this is an example of homogeneous solution. Second category is the colloids. Colloid is a homogeneous mixture with medium-sized particles. The particles are large enough to see, but are not large enough to settle or to be filtered out of the mixture. For example, the gelatin in this dish is a colloid. It looks red because you can see the red gelatin particles in the mixture. However, the particles are too small to settle to the bottom of the dish. Third category is called the suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture with large particles. The particles are large enough to see through our naked eyes, and these are large enough to settle down or to be filtered out of the mixture. For example, the salad dressing in this bottle is a suspension. It contains oil, vinegar, herbs, and spices. If the bottles sit undisturbed for very long, the mixture will separate into its component parts. So before using it, we should mix or shake the bottle so that all the components get mixed up together.